SPGC stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Saks Parente Golf is sitting at 68 cents. It is 12.4% up for the day. This is how my chart ultimately is looking like. Now, I've gotten thousands of quick predictions over the last 4 years, spent thousands of courses and mentors and documented everything. And previously I was open for loans, like the short side, and then it expanded. And this is not for the long term, but I mainly talked like in the previous video. But if I mentioned that if there is a proper double break, in which by right now, by the way, in my eyes, it's honestly just like still must happen. If there's like a second break above 73 cents, then I'm taking things up. And ultimately, this is not going to sit here forever, right? If we, for example, start breaking the lows first beneath 56, so that means the price just keeps falling, then I'm just still not going to buy. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.